Hi everyone, welcome back. So today our baby step is putting some inspirational quotes or even just one that you really like inside your control journal. I thought this was really fitting because we're doing quite a lot, right? We're decluttering, we're doing our weekly plan. It could be a lot, especially right after that weekly home blessing. Putting some kind of really nice inspirational quote in there when you're really not feeling like you're going to be able to continue doing this, or if you're feeling tired or whatever. You know, if you're not feeling like it, if you're tired, if you're just not sure that you're going to be able to keep up with everything, put a nice pretty quote in there, something just to give you a little bit of hope. One of my favorites from Flylady is you could do anything in 15 minutes. So if you're not feeling like it, set that timer for 15 minutes and just do it. There's some Nike for you. Just do it. I like Control Your Chaos. There's lots of them, but you don't want to just take mine. What inspires you? What helps you? So that's really all we have for our baby step today. So it's kind of a nice chance for us to relax, kind of do our routines, just get in that habit. And so tonight, make sure that you're doing your before bed routine. Tomorrow, do your morning routine. Tomorrow, we're going to play a little game, and it's going to be missions. So definitely want to check that out. If you haven't subscribed, you want to make sure you do that so you can make sure that you get the next video that comes out. Hit that bell notification icon. And if you look on the right, you'll see my latest video. And if you need help subscribing, it's going to be on the left. And I think I probably have my directions confused, but that's okay. So thank you so much, guys. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye.